Let's take it back to the old school.
It's DJ Mike Swift, and it's time to get you in the mix. Hip-hop mogul P. Diddy is adding educator to his list of accolades. The entertainment entrepreneur is partnering with Dr. Steve Perry to launch a charter school for youth in Harlem, New York. The Capital Preparatory Harlem Charter School is now accepting applications for 6th and 7th grades and will add a grade each year until it reaches 700 students for grades 6 through 12.
Hip-Hop 101.
Rapper Nas has been spreading his entrepreneurial wings by investing in alternative food products and restaurants, and now he's taking his enterprising spirit to Hollywood. He's using his History clothing brand to help promote the upcoming Ghostbusters movie. Nas will be releasing a line of shirts, hats, and shoes that pay tribute to the original 1984 release of Ghostbusters while getting fans geared up for the franchise reboot. Ghostbusters is set for release July 15th of this year.
Hip-Hop 101.
Hip-hop pioneer and founder of the Universal Zulu Nation, Africa Bambaataa, has been accused of child molestation. 50-year-old former New York State Democratic Committee member and Bronx 12th Judicial District Delegate Ronald Savage has levied allegations that Bambaataa molested him at age 13 and provided a detailed account of the molestation in his new book, Impulse, Urges, and Fantasies, and in an interview on Shot97.com.
It took me this long to actually get this out and to be able to really talk about it freely. Back when I was younger, I was a kid when this happened. You know, I wanted to be down with the in crowd, not really understanding that what Bambaataa was doing to me was actually molesting me.
International spokesperson for the Zulu Nation, King Kamanzi, has denied the molestation claims and is demanding that Savage apologize to Bambaataa, the Zulu Nation, and victims of sexual abuse.
Hip-Hop 101.
Get those stories and more by visiting us online at hiphop101online.com, following us at facebook.com/hiphop_ONE, or by downloading the app for Android, BlackBerry, iPhone, or iPad. I'm DJ Mike Swift, and you're now in the mix.
Let's take it back to the old school.
Hip-Hop.